The question is, let P is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 2, 3, and Q is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 12, 6, 5, 10, 5, be two matrices, then the rank of P plus Q is. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is linear algebra. Subtopic is matrix algebra rank, which is from GATE 2017. The solution is just adding P and Q matrix, corresponding elements to be added. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Minus 3 plus 12, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. 3 plus 5, 8. Minus 2 plus 10, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Just find rank by either minor determinant method or row operations method, that is row echelon form. So first I want to interchange these two because first diagonal element is 0. We cannot make its exact down element 0. So applying R1 interchanges R2 equivalent to 8, 9, 10. 0, minus 1, minus 2. 8, 8, 8. So this is the first non-zero element in the first row. We should make down element 0, that is R3 with R1 row operation. Apply R3 minus R1. So only R3 changes. Equivalent to 8, 9, 10, first row same, second row same. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 9, minus 1. 8 minus 2, minus 2. Now first row completed, come to the second row. This is the first non-zero element. We should make down element 0. Apply R3 with R2 operation. That is R3 minus R2 equivalent to, in this R3 only changes. R1 same, R2 same, that is 8, 9, 10. 0, minus 1, minus 2. 0 minus 0. Minus 1 minus of minus 1, 0. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 is 0. So this is first non-zero element. First non-zero element in the second row. Elements below the diagonal 0, so that is row echelon form. Therefore, rank of P plus Q matrix is number of non-zero rows, that is 2 non-zero rows, because it is a row echelon form matrix. So finally rank is 2. Answer is 2. This is end of the question. The question is, if f of x is equal to r into sine pi x by 2 plus s, comma, f dash 1 by 2 is equal to root 2, and integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 2r by pi, then the constants r and s are respectively. ABCD options given. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is differential integral calculus. Subtopic is derivative simple integrations, which is from GATE 2017. The solution is, so first f of x given r into sine pi x by 2 plus s. Some of the conditions given, f dash half. So what is f dash x? Differentiate with respect to x. R into sine derivative cos, and whenever you are differentiating you should multiply the x coefficient. So pi by 2 cos pi x by 2 plus constant derivative 0. S is a constant. Okay. Now put x is equal to half. We get f dash half, okay, is equal to r pi by 2 cos pi by 4. Already f dash half, this is given, how much? Root 2, and r pi by 2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore r is equal to 2 root 2 shifting into left side, 2 root 2 into root 2, 4 by pi. This is r value. Constant r value is 4 by 5. Now another condition is given, 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to that integration answer given 2r by pi. So 0 to 1 this integration. So sine integration minus cos, while integrating you should divide by x coefficient. So minus r times cos pi x by 2 divided by x coefficient is pi by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. Constant s is a constant integration is constant dx between the limits 0 to 1 is equal to this value given 2r by pi. Pi by 2 will be inverse, so minus 2r by pi, which is taken to be outside. First put x is equal to 1, that is cos pi by 2. Lower limit put x equal to 0, that is cos 0, plus s into 1 is equal to 2r by pi. So cos 90 and cos 0, you know that. Cos 90 0, cos 90 1. So this is 2r by pi implies plus s is equal to 2r by pi. Both sides same term constant, same terms, same constant. So I can cancel. So finally s is equal to 0. So s value 0, r value 4 by pi. Answer is 4 by pi and 0. Okay, that is accordingly option is C. This is end of the question. The question is P and Q are considering to apply for a job. The probability that P applies for the job is 1 by 4. The probability that P applies for the job given that Q applies for the job is 1 by 2, and the probability that Q applies for the job given that P applies for the job 1 by 3. Then the probability that P does not apply for the job given that Q does not apply for the job is ABCD options given. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is probability and statistics. Subtopic is conditional events, multiplication theorem, which is from GATE 2017. The solution is let A denote P applies for job and B denote Q applies for job. Where A comma B are events. Okay, so what is given now automatically? Given probability that P applies for job, that is P of A is equal to 1 by 4, comma P given that Q applies for job. So given that means it is a conditional event, that means that event will happen first and the next event will happen second. That means when an event is happened first, that is called given an event happened. So that event is in the denominator. The other event will happen next, that is will in the numerator, which is looks like conditional event A by B or B by E, B by A. Okay, so Q happened first. Now probability for P, that is P of A by B is equal to that 1 by 2. What is the meaning? Probability that the person P applies for job given that person Q applies for the job. That is the meaning. And other one, Q applies for job given that P applies for job. That is also given. That is P of B by A, conditional event, is equal to 1 by 3. What is the meaning? Probability that the person B applies job, person P applies job, given that person Q applies job. That is the meaning. So we are finding probability that P does not apply. Does not apply means negation event. So we have to find, given that Q does not apply job, A dash divided by B dash. This is the question we require. So let us say this is 1 and this equation 2. Okay, so 1 implies, first 2, because P of A given, so let us start 2 implies, simplifications of 2. Okay, 2 implies probability of conditional event is probability of both events occur, that is B intersection A divided by probability of denominator event is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, since P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B, both events divided by P of B. This is conditional probability, conditional events. So already P of A, how much given? Probability that the person P applies job 1 by 4. From this, P of A intersection B is same as B intersection A. Intersection is a commutative property, is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, next. Now 1 implies P of A by B means A intersection B divided by P of B is equal to already 1 by 2. This numerator just now we calculated 1 by 12. So therefore denominator is equal to, simplifies to 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 2. That means 1 by 6. This is second step we got. Now they are asking P of A dash given that B dash. Again conditional probability, probability of A dash intersection B dash divided by probability of B dash. So this is 1 minus P of A union B, that is probability that both does not exist, that is probability that neither A nor B is nothing but 1 minus probability of at least one of A comma B. So this is probability of not happening is 1 minus probability of happen event. Okay, so here 1 minus, what is probability of A union B? Addition theorem of probability, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B divided by 1 minus P of B. Okay, since addition theorem of probability. Okay, next A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B whole dash. Next, probability of A dash is nothing but 1 minus probability of A. These are the events we have applied here. These are the formulas or conditions. Okay, now 1 minus, what is P of A? 1 by 4 minus, what is P of B? Just now we calculated 1 by 6 plus P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 12 divided by 1 minus P of B, that is 1 by 6. Okay. Now numerator is LCM 12. 12 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 into 6 by 5. So that is 13 minus 5, 8, 4, simplifies to 4 by 5. Okay. So the answer for that probability P does not apply job, given that Q does not apply job, is 4 by 5. Accordingly, the option is A. This is end of the question. The question is, if the characteristic polynomial of 3 cross 3 matrix M over R, the set of real numbers is lambda cube plus minus 4 lambda square plus A lambda plus 30, comma A belongs to R, and one eigenvalue of M is 2, then the largest among the absolute values of the eigenvalues of M is. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is linear algebra. Subtopic is eigenvalues, which is from GATE 2017. The solution is, so since lambda is equal to 2 is one eigenvalue, I am denoting by short form E value. E value means eigenvalue. So therefore lambda is equal to 2 satisfies the characteristic equation, CH equation. Okay, what is that? Characteristic polynomial equated to 0 is called characteristic equation. That is lambda cube minus 4 lambda square plus A into lambda plus 30 is equal to 0. So this is satisfying means, which is one of the roots of the equation, will give LHS equal to RHS. So 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus A into 2 plus 30 is equal to 0. So from this A is equal to, so 8 minus 16 minus 8 plus 30, 22, shifting to right side, minus 22 dividing by 2, that is A is equal to minus 11. Now, so this is say equation 1. So how do you write an equation when you know roots, which is nothing but product of the factors? Okay, so therefore 1 implies lambda cube minus 4 lambda square minus 11 lambda plus 30 is equal to 0. So one of the factor lambda minus 2, because lambda is equal to 2, is one of the root. Into other factors are obtained by Horner's method, centric division, our 6th, 7th, 8th class method. The division method is like this. So lambda cube coefficient 1, lambda square coefficient minus 4, maintain some gap between every two coefficients. Lambda coefficient is minus 11, constant term coefficient is 30. Here it is always 0. This is fixed. And here you have to write first root outside this division symbol, that is lambda is equal to, add column wise, 1 plus 0, 1. Every time after adding, multiply with first root, 1 into 2. Put that next element of 0, that is 1 into 2 is 2. Adding will simplify minus 2. Multiply with 2 will give minus 4. Adding minus 15. Multiplied with 2 will give minus 30. Simplifies to 0. So this is called remainder. That is our 7th, 8th class methods. Division method, division algorithm. That means when you are dividing this equation by lambda minus 2, one of the factor lambda minus 2 divided with this stochastic polynomial, you will get remainder 0, and these three terms quotient terms. So from lambda cube I already kept out one lambda, so inside term starts with lambda square multiplied with first number 1. Next go on decreasing powers of lambda multiplied respectively the other numbers. Lambda into minus 2 lambda. Next lambda power 0 means 1 into that minus 15. So this minus 2 lambda, this is a quadratic equation, factorization, minus 5 lambda plus 3 lambda. I can break like this. So finally you have three distinct factors, lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 into lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore lambda is equal to 2, 5, minus 3. So these are the eigenvalues. E values means eigenvalues of matrix M. Okay, but what they are asking exactly, absolute values and then largest. So absolute values are nothing but mod lambda, that is you will be getting 2, 5, 3. Of all these, this is the largest. This is the largest. Okay, therefore the largest among, absolute means take modulus. After that, whichever the largest value, that is called the required largest among the eigenvalues. Among the absolute values of the eigenvalues of M is 5. So this is the answer. Answer is 5. This is end of the question. The question is, if a random variable x has a Poisson distribution with mean 5, then the expectation E of x plus 2 whole square equals. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is probability and statistics. Subtopic is distributions, which is from GATE 2017. The solution is, so given x is Poisson distribution with mean 5, that means implies lambda is equal to 5, is Poisson parameter. Okay, that means x follows probability of lambda. Okay, so which implies expectation of x is also nothing but lambda is equal to 5. This is mean. Mean is equal to variance in Poisson distribution. So mean is nothing but originally the procedure E of x, expected value of the random variable x. So here x is random variable. RV means random variable, which is a Poisson variable having mean given. So therefore they are asking expectation of x plus 2 whole square. So using algebraic procedure, x square, a square, 2ab plus b square. So expectation is a linearity property. That means expectation operator is linear. So this simplifies to e of x square plus 4 times e of x plus expectation of constant is 4. Now here I am explaining, since mean is equal to variance in Poisson, okay, therefore expectation of x is equal to variance of x is equal to 5. Okay, so what is variance procedure? E of x square minus e of x whole square is equal to this given 5. This means e of x square minus 5 square, because expectation of x is 5. So therefore e of x square how much? That is 30. Okay, so here I can put 30 plus 4 into 5 plus 4. 30 plus 20 plus 4, 54. So the value of e of x plus 2 whole square is 54. Solution is 54, answer is 54. This is end of the question. The question is, for any discrete random variable x with probability mass function p of x is equal to j is equal to pj, comma pj greater than or equal to 0, j belongs to set 0, comma etc. capital N, and summation j is equal to 0 to capital N, pj is equal to 1. Define the polynomial function g y of z, gx of z is equal to summation j is equal to 0 to n pj zj. For a certain discrete random variable y, there exists a scalar beta belongs to closed interval 0, 1 such that gy of z is equal to 1 minus beta plus beta z whole to the power n. The expectation of y is. This question is from engineering mathematics. Topic is probability statistics. Subtopic is random variables distributions, which is from GATE 2017. ABCD options given. The solution is so we know that the relation between generating function, moment generating function, cumulative generating function, based on that we can do this problem. Okay, the cumulative generating function of that random variable, okay, is kyz. Moment generating function capital M notation, k notation is cumulative generating function, is nothing but log to the base c, that is natural logarithm of the given gyz, that is probability function there, gyz. Okay, so cumulative generating function is log of that probability function. And finally they are asking expectation of y. Gyz is also given log e of gyz value 1 minus beta plus beta z whole to the power n. According to the logarithm properties, the power should be pre-multiplied. So n times log e 1 minus beta plus beta z, since log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So expectation of y is nothing but mean of y, is nothing but e of y, is nothing but k1, that is k stands for cumulative distribution. After that putting z is equal to 1, that is k1 is nothing but derivative with respect to z of this k by z. After that z is equal to 1. So this is nothing but d by dz of kyz, and then at z is equal to 1. So what is derivative with respect to z? Beta constant, n into 1 by 1 minus beta plus beta z. Derivative with respect to z, beta z derivative is beta, 1 beta constant 0. So after that at z is equal to 1. So this simplifies to n into beta numerator, denominator 1 minus beta plus beta z value 1. So this simplifies to capital N into beta. So the answer is capital N into beta, that is the expectation of y, mean of y. Answer is n into beta. Accordingly the option is B. This is end of the question.